If you want to connect your Canon TS3520 printer to your computer wirelessly, this video is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through every single step so you can get your Canon TS3520 connected to your computer in just a few minutes. By the time we're done, you'll be printing wirelessly like a pro. Or if you get stuck anywhere, you can call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's dive in and get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, make sure your Canon TS3520 printer is plugged in and powered on. Now, go to your printer's control panel and press and hold the wireless connect button. Keep holding until you see the Wi-Fi icon start flashing on the LCD screen. Before we go further, verify your wireless router is properly set up and working. Also, make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer will be. On your computer, go to ij.start.canon. That's Canon online setup page. Click on the setup and type TS350 into the search box and then click OK. On the next page that appears, click Start and then select Connecting to a computer or smartphone. After that, click Download. Once the file finishes downloading, open it up to begin the installation wizard. Click Start Setup and follow the on-screen instructions. The wizard will automatically check for and download the latest drivers for your printer. You'll see the license agreement. Read through it, accept it, and you'll see a Canon service agreement where you can choose options that work best for you. Next, your printer and router are going to show up on the screen. When they do, click Yes to establish the connection between them. Once the connection is verified and working, click Next. The wizard will ask you if you want to do a test print. You can go ahead and do that if you want, or just click Next to skip it and move forward. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.